Good day, dear soulmates. In today's story, I'm teaching you how to make high-low flay as a professional fashion designer. And trust me, you can't find any easy method that will give you professional high-low flay than this method. Just make sure you're paying attention to everything I'm going to teach you, and make sure you watch till the end. Now let's get straight into the tutorial. While talking about any flay, either circular flay or high-low flay, the first thing to consider is our radius. And this is my own way of calculating my radius, and it is also very simple and easy. One, you are going to divide your circumference by 4. The circumference I'm working with is 30. So to get my radius, I will divide the 30 by 4. So that gives me 7.5. Then let's assume this fabric has been folded into 4 folds. So the 7.5, I will just place it this way. Then I'm going to mark. So I'm going to pick what I have here. So let me quickly go by it. This is 4.5 quarter. Then I'm going to pick 4.5 quarter here. Then just rotate your tape rule. Our circumference 30 divided by 4, that gives us 7.5. Let's see if we are going to have a 7.5. This is a bit longer than 7.5. So we are going to move above a bit. So I'm going up by half. So let's say 4 quarter. So I'm picking 4 quarter now as my new radius. This method is very simple. You don't need to calculate before you get your radius, or you don't need to calculate that much. So our radius is 4 quarter. So that is the first thing. Now the second thing, to calculate the high-low flay, you are going to determine the length of the front, that is the length of the flay on the front, plus this 4 quarter. The length we are making use of for the front is 14 quarter. So 14 quarter plus 4.5 quarter. That will give us 18.5. So it means the total length for the front fold will be 18.5. Then you are going to determine how long you want the train or the high-low to be. For this tutorial, the high-low of this flay is going to be 35. So the 35, you are going to add your radius to it as well. And our radius is 4 quarter. 4 quarter plus 35, that will give us 39 quarter. So the length for the back will be 39 quarter, while the front length will be 18.5 quarter. So we are going to add both together. 18.5 plus 39 quarter. So the total will be 57 in total. So let's make use of 57. So both front length and the back length will give us 57. So it means the length and the width of the fabric we are going to make use will be 57.5. So here is our 57.5 length. So we are going to fold it into 4 folds this way. So here is it, 57. That is 57 divided by 2. That will give us 28.5 quarter. So this 28.5 quarter now, I'm going to rotate it round. Don't forget, our radius is in this measurement already, which is 4 quarter. But now we are going to mark this way. Then you are going to rotate it round. So here is our fillet. That's the first thing. The second thing now, we are going to mark out the front measurement, which is 14 and a half quarter. Here's a 14 and a half quarter plus 4 quarter of the radius. Here is it. So that is it. We are going to mark it this way. Marking it this way will help out in folding our fillet. So here is it. You can see. So now you apply the radius. Now the next thing is to apply our radius, which is 4 quarter. I've told you this is the simplest way or simplest method, and to give you the professional look we want. So now our joining allowance of ½ inch, we are going to observe it inside. So far we are going to join it to the upper part, then you cut it out. It's as simple as this. And please, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel today, like this video and comment for YouTube to push this tutorial to a lot of people who are in need of this tutorial. Thank you.